Emperor Haile Selassie, the Lion of Judah, and his little dog Lulu. In the heart of Ethiopia, where mountains touch the sky, lived Emperor Haile Selassie, wise, disciplined, and loved by his people. Yet even a mighty lion can have a gentle friend, and his was a tiny chihuahua named Lulu. Lulu, small as a teacup, had a very big job, guarding the royal court's good energy. It was whispered that if the tiny dog touched a diplomat's shoe, the emperor knew that guest was not to be trusted. The emperor was a master of discipline, especially when it came to time. He valued punctuality so highly that he kept a hidden collection of perfectly synchronized pocket watches, ticking in unison. His wisdom stretched far beyond Ethiopia, reaching diplomatic halls across the globe. In 1924, as regent, he traveled to Europe, bringing roaring, majestic lions as gifts for the kings and queens he visited. In a gesture of deep respect, King George V of Britain returned a treasured crown, taken from Magdala many years before. This exchange showed the world that history could be honored with grace and reconciliation. No journey was too grand for Lulu, who was truly a global traveler. She even journeyed across the ocean to America and was photographed with Governor Nelson Rockefeller in New York. In 1936, the world was watching as the great powers prepared for war, and Italy invaded Ethiopia. The emperor traveled to Geneva to speak before the League of Nations, demanding justice. As he stood to deliver his historic speech, hostile journalists jeered and shouted. The emperor paused, waiting in perfect silence, until the room was still and his dignity had restored order. During the dark years of war, he lived humbly in exile in England. Though a king without his palace, his kind heart remained, and he never forgot the generosity of the people of Bath. When he finally returned to Ethiopia, he donated that small English house to be a home for the elderly.